Pounds of hamburger to 1 pound of pork, and you got to chop it up very fine. You should make this the night before and have it cold. Parmesan cheese until it got nice and kind of gopped together a little bit. So that's the meat with Parmesan cheese.
I only used it.
And you get it to room temperature and you add the cheese.
I was receiving
There it
the
is.
board.
That's a pretty well.
There's the well.
You did a great job.
I'm making pasta.
Yeah, no leaks.
Terry's showing us how to make pasta.
Yeah, excellent. Go ahead. You can keep it moving. It's all right. It's too thick now to go anywhere. It's not going to fall apart. Just
Okay.
keep it up and keep it up. And a little at a time now, incorporate more and more into it as quickly as you can.
I'm making tortellinis.
There you go.
Oh, well.
That's okay.
Turning into a crater.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's good.
A moon crater.
Because it's all going into the dough.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. And get it in there.
Around the whole thing?
Yeah. And then you just take this tool, so this way. Like this.
This is 3 cups of flour,
Like that. That's all.
3 eggs, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil,
Make you go.
6 tablespoons of water.
There you go. Excellent. Good. And don't be afraid to just get in underneath it. Yeah, there you
So you
go.
can go like that?
Oh, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, get it all underneath there. But don't take all of this flour unless you need it, because you want a little bit. You don't want it too floury. So this is where the feel is going to come in a little while. But keep getting underneath it and turning it over. There you go. See how sticky it is over there? There you go. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Keep going.
That's a good student.
Isn't she?
College.
More than 2 years. Stuff in. There you go. There you go. And that's the whole process. You just scoop. Scoop. There you go.
Very wet,
Yep. So just scoop all that up. That's why I love this tool.
I do have it. I just have it at home. I would never use it at home, so it's going to
I don't know what else you really use it for except to make bread, but I'm sure it can be used. That's good, honey. Keep scooping.
More flour.
The dogs are playing in the background.
The more you manipulate this, the better it is.
Oh, I was going to ask if it gets tough.
No, not at all. It blends it. Right. There you go.
Go play with it. It's a choice.
She'd be a good teacher, huh?
Can you feel how it's coming together?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a little bit of...
Elasticy and
Yeah.
a little sticky, but not too
No,
much.
we don't want sticky, but we want it to feel like a baby's
Yeah.
butt. You know,
All right.
keep going.
Paul had to leave at
Every
that
once
point.
in a while, you pick it up and slam it down. No, it's still way too sticky. There you go. Go ahead. Keep at it and then just... There you go. Keep rubbing it. I'm telling you, it takes...
Doesn't get tough, huh? No.
No, it's still sticky.
Still sticky. Keep going. That's how you do it. Got it already. Figured. Good.
Must be the Italian in me.
That's what it is.
That's why I have you do
Go
it.
back to your roots.
I am, Paul. We got to book a trip to Italy.
There you go.
Forget about making bread. I'm making pasta.
Is it still sticky?
Little. Not too bad.
All right.
We just work with, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'll probably need a little bit more.
Yep. Keep doing it. We'll take from the sides over there.
Yeah, it's still sticky.
Yeah. No, you don't want sticky.
Don't want.
Just pieces.
Hey,
Hello.
how you doing?
How are you?
Good.
This part. You can be in my video.
You've already been in it, Terry.
Is it
Little,
on?
little clips. I just did clips.
Okay, and this slam it.
It's on. Slam it.
Whoa, that was not a good one. I was trying to show off.
Don't be a sissy. There you go. Come on. Boom, hard. There you go.
Damn it! Think of PJ, how he doesn't call you.
I'm not showing him this video.
I love you, honey.
So weird.
Okay, I think that's, does it feel like a baby?
You're weird, James.
Little sticky.
Little
All right.
stickies, I'm not sure how, I'm
Keep on.
Hold on.
Baby butts are not always dry.
Sometimes they are sticky.
But they shouldn't be sticky on your dough because it won't go through the machine.
Oh, yes,
And
it'll
even if
stick.
you roll by hand, it'll stick.
It'll stick, yeah.
You don't
Because yours was like perfect yesterday. That was like, I didn't even do
2 years she's been doing it.
Many.
Many years.
Now imagine this with 56 eggs and 6 pounds of flour or
Oh,
more. Holy moly, one year I had a thing so big, I said, I'll never do this again. Pushing it through and, it was incredible. It's looking real good. When you get the right feel, you let me know.
We got a dough ball and they are getting rid of the chunks and the leftover flour.
we don't want chunks.
No chunks in the flour.
No
Because
chunks
it
of
will
flour.
clog the machine.
Because you've got plenty of flour and not much crank on there. You know the nice thing is you can all just sit right over here and twirl right from here.
So you want to move these chairs?
No, you can sit on them.
Okay.
Sit on it, Janet.
Sit on them.
You sit on it, Laura.
Sit on it, Janet.
Joe's here making tortellinis with us, but he's not helping very much.
I gave you the strategic advice.
Yes, he did.
Yes.
Ira Cook.
There's the tortellinis.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm just taking a video of it, see?
I'm sorry.
All right.
I thought you were...
Showing a picture? No, I was just showing what the tortellinis look like. And some on the stove.
What are you gonna do with all that extra?
Yeah, we have some dough.
We're making more. Another batch, because we got more, what's it called left?
They have,
Ping left. That's called ping.
quarterback,
And what nationality is ping?
Italian, but
Italian?
German, like my
German.
grandmother was living on the Germany border.
Yeah.
She was in very North Italian territory. Her consonants are more German than Italian. So they're more harsh compared to the softer.
Well, I don't think I should try it.
Pretty much go through these countries and see the low stuff off.
And those are the scraps that are delicious in soup.
You want these?